Okay, we've just received a new question from Raghupati, and I think it's something relating to what you as well were talking about. Raghupati says, I would like to shift my investments from PPF to Flexi Cap funds since now I require the funds after 10 years. This he wants to do so to beat inflation. Please advise whether his approach is correct or not. You were talking about this, that many individuals have the habit of, putting money in their PPF on the first of every month. I guess Raghu's lock-in period in PPF is over, so now he's free to access the funds. Is this a good idea, and should it all be only in Flexi Cap? How would you recommend he split it?
Yes, Raghu, FlexiCap is absolutely fine because if you have a limited amount of money and if somebody does not want to get into a portfolio, like I mentioned, the 30-20-20-30 formula, a FlexiCap fund is a pretty good idea because the fund manager on his own, with his own discretion, buys the proportion of companies which are large caps and mid and small caps and things like that. So it's like a mix you can do with one fund, you can do with two funds if you like, if the quantum is a little larger. The difference between PPF and FlexiCap fund, or for that matter, equity fund, is humongous. So just to give you a very simple example, even if you were to invest your 1.5 lakh, the deduction that you get under Section 80C, you do that and you did that for 20 years time, with a PPF rate, you would land up, with, let's say, a corpus of about 65 lakhs. The same thing if you were to invest into a FlexiCap or an equity-oriented fund, it'll be 1 crore 65 lakhs, which is almost 3 times. So the difference between a PPF to an equity strategy is phenomenal. Now, which is a lesson for all the people who are kind of starting off or who've been dedicatedly putting money into PPF. Great product, nothing wrong with it, but provided you have enough money. But if you don't have enough, then I think you need to go somewhere where you will have money which will come of great use to you in years to come. So therefore, equity strategy is a better strategy than PPF. Nothing wrong with PPF per se. But the multiplier is 3 times, 4 times. If it's 25 years and 30 years, you'll be surprised 5, 6 times, 7 times of what you would arrive at after the PPF investment story of 20, 30 years versus the equity story. You'll be far better off.